Yeah, Okoh, the president of the Christian. Of course, you know that the vice president is the first Christian in politics and in government in Nigeria. And since my election as the president of the Christian Association of Nigeria, I've not had the opportunity to come and present myself to him and to have a conversation with him. So this is just a courtesy visit to let him know that I am now the newly elected president of the Christian Association of Nigeria, and to also, and this is a prelude to the meeting, the courtesy visit to the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari. So that is the reason why I'm here. Yeah.
What issues have you encountered since you became the president of CAN?
Well, of course, you know that CAN is an ecumenical movement, and we're still working towards Christian unity, and at the same time working towards engaging other sectors of Nigeria for the purpose of building a united and virile country.